Hi! This is a short video on how to install the Streamit Lisa LCD player. Inside the box you will find a Streamit Lisa LCD player, a power supply, a stereo audio cable with RCA connectors, a network cable, 3 power adapters depending on the country you are in, the installation manual where you can find all the information and explanatory images about the installation. Now you're ready to see how to set up the wiring. Plug the power cable into the designated connector. The next step is to connect the network cable to the Ethernet port of the player. Green and yellow LEDs should light up at the Ethernet input. After that, attach both left and right RCA connectors of the audio cable to the audio inputs of the player, following the colors to help you. Ensure that the other end of the cable is connected to the amplifier inputs. Now press the power button on the front. After a few seconds, you should see the title of the song being played, and the music should start playing, indicating the device is working correctly. Should you experience any issues, please refer to the various issues section of the installation manual. If the problem still persists, please call our customer service team or send an email.